Hey everyone, so if you've ever tried to make an infographic using AI, you know it can be, well, a total roll of the dice, right? Sometimes you get gold, and other times you get something that's just not it. Today, we're going to fix that. We are moving way beyond just typing in a basic prompt. We're going to build a smart, repeatable workflow to get amazing results every single time. It's time to turn that guesswork into genius. So let's just dive right into the question that I know is on your mind. You've got these amazing AI tools, you feed them your content, but the infographic you get back just feels kind of meh, you know? It's fine, it works, but it's missing that special something, that spark you were really hoping for. So what is going on? What's the missing piece here? Honestly, the answer is pretty simple. You're guessing. We're all just throwing different phrases at the AI, kind of hoping one of them will magically unlock the perfect image. But let me tell you, the secret isn't about getting better at guessing. The secret is building an intelligent system, a workflow that does the heavy lifting for you. And that brings us to what I call the infographic guessing game. And it's this really frustrating cycle of trial and error that, let's face it, most of us have been stuck in with AI, whether we even realize it or not. Think about it. The normal process is we open up our favorite AI image tool, we type in something like, make an infographic about this document, and then we just cross our fingers and hope for the best. We're basically asking the AI to be a mind reader and a world-class graphic designer all at once. It's a game of chance, and we can do so much better. So, how do we stop playing games and start actually building something? Well, it all starts right here with step 2. We're going to build a research engine. This is the foundation for everything else we're about to do. And for this, we're going to use a tool called NotebookLM. Now, I want you to think of this as your personal prompt engine. This isn't where we're going to make the final picture. No, this is where we build the brains behind our request. We're going to ground our prompts in real, solid research about what actually makes an infographic great. Okay, and the process is actually super simple. First, you just start a new notebook. Then, you ask NotebookLM to research something very specific, something like, what are the key principles for creating a highly effective infographic? It's going to go out and pull in all these expert articles and guides. And here's the crucial part. You import all of those sources directly into your notebook and hit refresh. Just like that, your notebook is now an expert on infographic design. All right, so now that our engine is built and all revved up, we're ready for part 3, prompting on solid ground. This is the moment we stop throwing darts in the dark and we start telling the AI exactly what we want. And this is where the magic really happens. Instead of you trying to dream up the perfect prompt out of thin air, you're just going to ask your new expert to do it for you. You literally ask NotebookLM, based on all of these sources you now have, write me a super detailed prompt for an AI image generator about my topic. And boom, this is the kind of prompt you're going to get back. Just look at the difference. It's not just make an infographic, it's specific. It's asking for a central visual, for clear data visualizations, for a logical flow. I mean, this is a professional creative brief, and it was written by an AI that's now an expert on the subject. So with this amazing expert-level prompt in our hands, we are ready to move from the engine to the canvas. We're taking all that intelligence we built in our research engine, NotebookLM, and we're bringing it over to our creative canvas, in this case, Gemini. The creation phase? It's now the easiest part. Seriously, you just upload the document you want to visualize. You paste in that beautiful, detailed, research-backed prompt we just created, and then you hit generate. You've literally done all the prep work to guarantee a great result. But wait, we are not done yet. In fact, what comes next is, without a doubt, the most powerful part of this entire system. It's time to close the creative loop. So, Gemini gives you back a fantastic infographic. It looks great. The job's done, right? You might think so, but if you stop right here, you are missing the biggest opportunity of all. So I'm going to ask you again, are you really done? Here it is, the one step everyone misses. Don't just grab the image and leave. Ask the AI a follow-up question. Ask it, why is this effective? Explain the creative choices you made. Right there, you stop being just a user and you start asking your new creative partner to teach you.
And you know what? It will tell you. It'll break down its own design logic. You'll get incredible insights like this, explaining why it chose that color palette, or the function of that central icon, or its reasoning for using bar charts. It's like getting a personalized design lesson based on your very own project.
And here is how you close the loop. You don't just read that awesome feedback and forget it. You export the AI's entire explanation and you add it as a new source right back into your NotebookLM prompt engine. You are literally making your engine smarter and more tuned to you with every single thing you create. And that, my friends, is how you stop making one-off infographics and start building a powerful, self-improving, creative workflow. The advantages here are just massive. You're creating smarter prompts that are based on actual research, not just vibes. You're getting way better visuals because of it. But here's the big one. You're quietly building a personal knowledge base on design. The very act of creating content becomes a way for you to learn and get better. So I really want this to sink in. This is so much more than just a clever trick to get a better image. It's a totally new way to think about collaborating with AI. You're not just some user barking commands anymore. You're a creative director building a system, learning from your tools, and leveling up your own skills every single time. Which really just leaves us with one final, exciting question. I mean, this technique isn't just for infographics, right? You could apply this to writing, to coding, to business strategy. So now that you know how to get feedback from your AI and learn from its process, what are you going to learn next?